Why do I have to take the wheels off before using the lift? This wheelchair lift comes in both fixed and portable models. The portable model is equipped with removable wheels or casters to facilitate moving the lift around. However, the wheels must be removed during the setup process for the lift to operate properly. Use of the lift with the casters installed is dangerous because the lift could roll away with the user inside it. Furthermore, it is impossible for a wheelchair user to enter or exit the platform at the lower end, while the casters are keeping it at least 4 inches off the ground. See the setup procedure for instructions on how to remove the casters. If you still have any questions or concerns after watching this video, feel free to contact Ascension for further assistance. Why doesn't the motor stop running after the lift has reached the lower landing? The motor continues running after reaching the lower landing to ensure that the positions of the 2 hydraulic cylinders resynchronize each cycle. This is a normal and important part of lift operation. The motor should stop after a few seconds. If you still have any questions or concerns after watching this video, feel free to contact Ascension for further assistance. Why doesn't the upper gate on the platform lock? For lifts equipped with a platform gate that services the upper landing, the landing itself blocks these gates from opening prematurely. As such, the Wheelchair Lift Safety Code, A18.1, does not require these types of gates to lock. Thus, these gates are not provided with locks as one would not provide any additional safety. If you still have any questions or concerns after watching this video, feel free to contact Ascension for further assistance.